Okay, so I got this question from the revision section. X squared plus ax plus b is a factor of this cubic. Now, what options do I have? If something is a factor, you can divide it in, or you can turn your factors into roots and try and sub them in. Now, I can't do that here. So they're blocking off that option for me, and they're making me do long division. So they're pushing me into the fact that they obviously want to check that my long division, if I do it carefully enough, I should be able to work it out. Now I'm going to put a 0x squared there. You don't have to. Just going to make it look just a little bit more familiar to myself. Now, take your time. They're only dying to take marks off you with the amount of letters, missing numbers they have here. And then they said at the end, I'm not going to worry about this yet. I'm going to try and prove this and this. But I'm absolutely not focused on that yet, because I know I have to do long division and I need to take my time here and, go slow. They're only just dying to take marks off you. So what do I multiply x squared by to give me an x cubed? It's an x. Take it to the side and work it out. Subtract. Minus, minus, minus. That's gone, which is what I want. I have a 0x squared minus an ax squared. Well, that just gives me a minus ax squared. Plus a cx minus a bx plus a d. And I go again. What do I multiply x squared by to give me a minus ax squared? Minus a. Take it to the side, work it out. Minus ax squared minus a squared x minus ab, and I subtract. Plus, plus, plus. And that's gone, which is what I want. I have a cx plus an a squared x plus a bx plus a d plus an ab minus a bx. I have a cx plus an ax squared minus a bx plus a d plus an ab. And go again. What do I multiply x squared by to give me an x? Oh, I can't do that. So if it's a factor, it divides in evenly, remainder 0. So this is actually equal to 0. So cx plus ax squared, cx plus a squared x minus bx plus d plus ab is equal to 0. And the coefficients of the x over here have to be equal to the coefficients of the x over here. So I can write this as a 0x plus 0. So the c plus the a squared minus the b have to be equal to the coefficient of the x over here, which is 0. And what's left has to be equal to that. D plus AB is equal to 0. Now, I'm going to go back to the start. Ruby, stop. The dog's just playing in the background there, making noise. And go back to the start and I see what they want from me. They want me to show that D plus AB is equal to 0. D plus AB is equal to 0. Nice. Don't even have to do anything with that one. So there's part 1 done. And then they want me to prove that a squared is equal to b minus c. Okay. Oh yeah, that's okay. A squared is equal to, bring it over, b minus c. Done. Both of those proved, and I didn't worry about them until the end. I just moved things around if I needed to. This one I didn't need to, it was just the way they wanted it. This one I just had to move it around just to show exactly the way they wanted it.